Hello and welcome back to Plantarama Garden Centre. You remember our potato planter which we planted way back in March? Look how well it's done. It's got plenty of growth, and in May we top dressed it. You can see how much it's grown. Now we feel it's time to harvest the potato. So if you'd like to come closer, cameraman, so we can see what we can do after all these weeks. Where we take our potato, pull it out like so, shake it about. This is an early variety of potatoes, Ola, which is great for boiling, salads, even roasting and baking. Depends how you like your potatoes. Look at these lovely potatoes. So there we are, nicely fresh potatoes, ready to eat, and it just shows you how well potatoes do in a bag with organic vegetable compost and potato feed. So there's plenty more in here, small ones, big ones, ready for our summer salads. So when you're ready for your potatoes, come to Plantarama Garden Centre and pick your best potatoes. Bye for now.